Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make cowpeas curry recipe.
This recipe is a quick one and specially for bachelors and beginners who has less time to spend for cooking. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take washed and soaked 250 grams of cowpeas. We have soaked for 8 hours overnight. Then add 1 chopped onion, 1 green chilli, 2 garlic, some curry leaves. Now we can add the masalas. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Now add 1.5 cup of water. And mix it well. Close the lid and cook on high flame for first whistle, then for 2 whistles on low flame. Cooking time will be different for each cooker. After 3 whistles, switch off the flame and keep it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid. Our cowpeas have cooked well. Now we can add the coconut milk to it. We have taken half cup of grated coconut for making coconut milk. And mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Also add half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Switch on the flame now, but keep it on low flame. Mix it for 1 minute and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Switch off the flame. Our easy cowpeas curry for beginners is ready. This is a very easy recipe so that anyone can make this tasty cowpeas curry.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.